Our next awardee is tagged as Pambansang Kuya, Kuya J. Machete. From being an entertainment columnist, he has grown to be a full-time Win radio DJ whose specialty is showbiz chismis. Ladies and gentlemen, our awardee for Outstanding Broadcaster, Mr. Joselito Joey Sarmiento, Radio Anchor, Win Radio 91.5.
Lady Justice Statuette and Certificate of Appreciation are given to our awardee in deep appreciation for the invaluable support and contribution made to the success of the Public Attorney's Office and the advancement of the interest of its clientele.
Okay, so good afternoon. Ang dami-dami pala mga lawyers talaga ng Pilipinas. So palakpakan po natin mga sarili natin. Okay, and of course, actually this is my second recognition coming from Public Attorney's Office. The first time was in Manila Hotel, so maraming salamat. And gusto ko lang sabihin na I am very proud kasi si Attorney Persida Acosta is very, very close din sa mga media na katulad namin. First hand, nakakausap niya kami isa-isa and madali siyang lapitan talaga. Hindi katulad ng ibang mga lawyers na may wall. Pero with the chief, napakadali niyang lapitan. Pwedeng makausap anytime. Kaya palakpakan po natin si Chief Persida Acosta. And of course, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Public Attorney's Office for giving me this recognition. At patuloy pa rin naming tutulungan here. I'm speaking in behalf of my colleagues sa media. Patuloy naming susuportahan ang mga adikain at advocacy ng Public Attorney's Office. So, mabuhay ang PAO and mabuhay ka, Chief Persida Acosta. Thank you very much po.
Once again, our awardee for Outstanding Broadcaster, Mr. Joselito Joey Sarmiento.